This is Ben's first car. He found it on Facebook Marketplace. Ben was 15 when he found this car. It had been sitting for several years. The previous owner somehow managed to develop a rod knock one night when he was drunk and driving it through ditches, and he just abandoned the car. So Ben found it, and we discovered when we went to look at it that it had a rod knock. So he negotiated, and somehow the price came from $900 down to $450, and he bought it on the spot. We had to go back the next weekend with a trailer because it was 70 miles from where we lived. When we got it home, we were able to start it up with a little help from our friend Eli.
All right.
So we got the car home, and we discovered it had a horrendous rod knock. So Ben did a lot of research, and we went and found a car with a good engine and a bad transmission, 120 miles from where we lived. So we bought it and dragged it back on a borrowed trailer. But it has turned out to be a gem. It runs great. We did new timing belt, seals, gaskets, all the goodies that we could do, changed all the fluids, and did the swap. Ben participated in every bit of it, and so did many of his friends.
Yep.
So the plan is we've removed a single double-in, double-out muffler intended for a Chevy truck, which was huge and didn't help with the sound. It just made it louder. Right there. Nice. And so now we've managed to special order some 40-inch glass packs that we're going to put on with a new X-pipe, which we've got, and flex joints. This car has no catalytic converters because we live in an area where they're not necessary.
Yeah.
And then we're also going to put these resonators at the very end because they're cool looking tips.
These big
And I'm
boys.
hoping it will sound very European and not so Japanese.
Look how big these are.
That's a 40-inch glass pack. You ever seen one of them?
Probably
It's like
not.
a fish with a bicycle.
Those tips look perfect. Somehow, by the grace of God.